Hi, today I'm going to show you how I've loaded the open source PHP mailer package onto my IBM which allows me to send SMTP emails with attachments from the IBM. You don't need a web server running, but you do have to have PHP loaded. I've got the ZENDPHP Community Edition loaded, but it works with the Zend Server PHP Basic or Enterprise Edition. First of all, we need to download the package. So if you go into the SSH terminal, I'm using the one in Access Client Solutions, but if you've got, it just runs a PuTTY session, but if you've got PuTTY loaded, you can just run it from that. So we log on to the AS400. Then I need to change directory into QOpenSys packages lib, which is where I'm going to download PHPMailer-2. If you're running Zend Server Basic or Enterprise, then it'll be in whichever version of Zend you've got loaded, Zend Server 6 directory or ZENDPHP7 directory. So we run the wget command to download the package from the PHP Mailer GitHub website. Cut and paste that in. So that's downloaded. Then we need to unzip that. I've already got it loaded, so I just do A to replace all. That creates a directory called PHPMailer-master, mailer-master, so I've renamed mine to just PHPMailer because it's already there. It won't let me do that, but if you're doing an initial installation, then obviously it will. So that's the PHP Mailer package loaded. Then if you just create a simple CL program, you can see here it takes some parameters, the host name of the SMTP server, username, password, etc. It's also got the PHP command where the PHP CLI is going to run from, the command line interface. So using Community Edition of Zend PHP, it's running under QOpenSys packages bin PHP, but if you're running Zend Server Basic or Enterprise, then it'll be under whichever directory, whichever version of Zend you've got loaded in Zend Server 6 or ZENDPHP7. I've also got a simple script here that I've written and put in this directory here called PHP code. Then all these parameters are null-ended, and the script then gets called through qp2 shell, PHP command, the script, and then these parameters get passed to the script as arguments. So then here is the script. I've got some debugging levels set for PHP, just so initially you can see any errors. I'm also ignoring any SSL certificate errors. Use that with care. Obviously you should have all the certificates loaded for maximum security. Then we've got the PHP mailer require statements and use statements that load the package, and then here we can see where it then has all the parameters that then get passed into PHP Mailer that you've passed into the PHP script. There's lots of parameters here that you can specify on PHPMailer. Check out the documentation on the PHPMailer GitHub website. But these are the ones I'm using here to allow SSL SMTP authentication. So we've got the host name, which is comes in as an argument 1 from the CL parameter. Then parameter 2 is the username, password. It's using port 465 on the remote SMTP server. Then we've got the from address in argument 4. You can add as many to addresses as you want with this add address. And again, you can add as many attachments as you want. Then the subject, the body, email body text. So I've set HTML true, so we can pass in HTML into the email body, and you can format the body text as HTML. You can also then supply a text-only version for email clients that don't support HTML. And then I capture any errors in the PHP log file, error log file. So that's a simple script, and then we can run that through the command. So those are the parameters, and then we've just got a simple email body with some example HTML in there. That's then sent the email. So if we go into email client, there's the email come in, and there's the HTML formatted email. So all these, the example CL program and command and PHP script, they're all on the Novagem YouTube channel on a link there to Google Docs if you want to download them or view them. And there's also all the documentation on the PHPMailer website. Hope this is useful. Thank you for watching. Bye now.